This problem is from the textbook. It's page 489, problem number 17. Perform the operation. Write your answer in scientific notation. Quantity 2 times 10 to the 4th times quantity 5.4 times 10 to the 6th. So the first thing you're going to do on the problem is you're going to take a look at the first factors of each of them, and we're going to multiply those together. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to take 5.4, you're going to multiply that with 2, and if you multiply that correctly you should get 10.8, and I'm going to rewrite that over here. So 10.8 times, okay, we have our second factor, and if you notice on your second factor we have 10 to the 4th and we have a 10 to the 6th. So since they both have the same base, they both have a 10 here, we're going to use our rules for powers. So we're going to add our powers together because they're being multiplied. It's sort of like if I go 10 to the 4th times 10 to the 6th, we are allowed to go ahead and add those two together and get 10 to the 10th. So I'm going to go ahead and write that down over here, 10 to the 10th. Now if you go ahead and take a look at the number we have 10.8 times 10 to the 10th. However, we have a problem. If you look this first factor, it's not between 1 and 10. So what we have to do to remedy the problem is we need to move the decimal so it's between the 1 and 10. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to move this back one spot right here. Now since I'm moving that back one spot, that's going to actually make our number smaller. So in order for us to go ahead and compensate for the moving of the spot to make it smaller, I need to increase my power here by a factor of 10. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm just going to make that into 11. Let's rewrite this as 1.08 times 10 to the 11th power. And this will be your answer in scientific notation.